Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about Geography Chapter 3 Mineral and Power Resources. See, in this class we will be discussing minerals, types of minerals, extraction of minerals, distribution of minerals, uses of minerals, and power resources. Moving on to understand minerals and types of minerals. Mineral is a naturally occurring substance. Yes, a naturally occurring substance having a definite chemical composition is called a mineral. See, minerals are found in different types of rocks. Students' minerals are identified on the basis of their color, density, and hardness. See, there are over 3000 different minerals. Students, what do you mean by mineral? Yes, minerals are substances that are formed naturally in the earth. Moving on to understand types of minerals. See, on the basis of composition, minerals can be classified into metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals. So, minerals can be classified into metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals. Students, at first we have metallic minerals. Metallic minerals contain metal in raw form. That means they contain metal in raw form. Students, what do you mean by metal? Yes, metals are hard materials or substances which are good conductor of heat and electricity. Yes, for example, iron ore and bauxite. Students, see, metallic minerals are divided into two subgroups. What are they? Yes, they are ferrous minerals and non-ferrous minerals. See, ferrous minerals means they contain iron. For example, iron ore, manganese and chromites. Non-ferrous minerals means these minerals do not contain iron. Yes. For example, gold, silver, copper or lead. Ferrous minerals contain iron. Non-ferrous minerals means these minerals do not contain iron. See, this is the difference between ferrous minerals and non-ferrous minerals. Moving on to understand non-metallic minerals. Since non-metallic minerals do not contain metals. Yes, they do not contain metals. See, they contain impure compounds or mineral fuels. For example, limestone, mica, gypsum. See, mineral fuels like coal and petroleum. So, non-metallic minerals do not contain metals. Moving on to understand extraction of minerals. Students, what do you mean by extraction? Yes, extraction is the process of taking out minerals or metals from rocks. Extraction is the process of, yes, taking out minerals or metals from rocks. So, useful minerals can be derived from them. See, minerals can be extracted by mining, drilling or quarrying. Next, we are going to discuss about mining. Students, mining means the processing of taking out minerals from rocks buried under the earth's surface. See, mining has two processes. They are opencast mining and shaft mining. If we take opencast mining, minerals that lie at shallow depths are taken out by removing the surface layer. Yes, minerals that lie at shallow depths are taken out by removing the surface layer is known as opencast mining. Next, we have shaft mining. Students, what do you mean by shaft mining? Yes. See, in this, deep bores are bored to take out minerals. That means deep bores called shafts have to be made to reach mineral deposits that lie at great depths. This is called shaft mining. So, mining is the process of taking out minerals from rocks buried under the earth's surface. Yes, if we take mining has two processes. They are opencast mining and shaft mining. Moving on to understand drilling. Students, drilling means deep wells are bored to take out minerals. Yes. In drilling, deep wells are bored to take them out. This is called drilling. For example, petroleum. Moving on to understand quarrying. Students, in quarrying, minerals that lie near the surface are simply dug out. Yes. Minerals that lie near the surface are simply dug out by the process known as quarrying. Students, quarrying refers to the process of extraction in which minerals lying very close to the surface are extracted just by digging them out. Next, we are going to discuss about distribution of minerals. Students, we know minerals occur in different types of rocks. Yes, see, some minerals are found in igneous rocks, some minerals are found in metamorphic rocks, and some minerals are found in sedimentary rocks. Students, generally metallic minerals are found in igneous and metamorphic rocks. Non-metallic minerals are found in sedimentary rocks. Yes. So, metallic minerals are found in igneous and metamorphic rocks. Non-metallic minerals are found in sedimentary rocks. Students, mineral fuels are also found in the sedimentary strata. Now we are going to discuss about distribution of minerals. Distribution of minerals in major countries are Asia, Europe, North America, South America, Africa, Australia and Antarctica. Students, major countries having large iron ore deposits are China and India in Asia. See, Asia produces over half of the total tin production in the world. Yes. China, Malaysia, and Indonesia are among the world's leading tin producers. So, China and India have large iron ore deposits. Next, we have Europe. Students, Europe is the leading producer of iron ore in the world. Yes. Students in Eastern Europe and European Russia have mineral deposits like copper, lead, zinc, manganese, and nickel. Next, we are going to discuss about distribution of mineral wealth in North America. Students, there are three zones in North America where mineral deposits are located. They are the Canadian region, the Appalachian region, the mountain ranges of the West. Students, these regions have various minerals. For example, iron ore, nickel, gold, uranium, and copper. Yes. Students, in South America, Brazil is the largest producer of high grade of iron ore in the world. South America also has large deposit of gold, silver, zinc, diamond, etc. Students, if we take Africa, African continent is very rich in mineral resources. Yes, it is the world's largest producer of diamonds, gold and platinum. Next, we have Australia. Students, Australia is the largest producer of bauxite in the world. It is a leading producer of gold, diamond, iron ore, tin and nickel. Students, can you name the leading tin producers in Asia? Yes, China, Malaysia and Indonesia are leading tin producers in Asia. Students, name two minerals in whose production India contributes a significant part. Yes, India has vast deposits of high grade iron ore and it is also a leading producer of salt. Moving on to understand uses of minerals and conservation of minerals. Students, we know minerals are important in many industries. See, they used in germs. Yes. Students, we know iron and copper are metals used in almost everything. Yes. See, copper is present in everything from coins to pipes and electricity wires. Students, if we take silicon, silicon is obtained from the mineral quartz. Yes. So, silicon is the base of computer industries. So, silicon is used in computer industries. Students, aluminium obtained from bauxite ore and its alloys are used in aeroplanes due to their lightweight. See, aluminium is also used in kitchen cookware. So, minerals are used in many industries. Students, minerals are a non-renewable resource. Am I right? Yes. Why? Because it takes thousands of years for the formation. See, human consumption rate of minerals is much faster than its formation rate. So, we must be aware about these facts. So, minerals are non-renewable resource since their formation is a long process. Students, recycling of metals and including wastage are ways to conserve them. That means we should also recycle these metals in order to conserve them. Students, can you tell in which industry is silicon important? Yes, silicon is important in the computer industry. Okay, why are minerals considered non-renewable? Yes, minerals take thousands of years to form. See, the rate of formation is much smaller than rate of consumption. So, we classify them as non-renewable. Moving on to understand power resources. Students, what do you mean by power? Yes, power means energy. Students, power or energy plays a vital role in our lives. Students, you know, we need power for industry, agriculture, transport, communication, and defense. See, the resources like coal, petroleum, etc., which provide us power energy, are called power resources. Students, power resources are classified into two types. They are conventional sources and non conventional sources. Students, at first we are going to discuss about conventional sources of energy. Conventional sources of energy are those which have been in common use for a long time. That means conventional power sources are those that have been in use for a long time. For example, fossil fuels and firewood. Students, if we take firewood, firewood is used for cooking and heating. Students, do you know 50% of the energy used by villagers comes from firewood? Moving on to understand fossil fuels. Students, fossil fuel means remains of plants and animals converted into after they remained buried under the earth for millions of years. Finally, by the heat and pressure got changed into fossil fuels. Students, fossil fuels such as coal, petroleum and natural gas are the main sources of conventional energy. See, the reserves of these minerals are limited. So, coal, petroleum and natural gas are important fossil fuels. Next, we are going to discuss about coal. Students, coal is found abundantly near the Earth's surface. Yes. Students, Coal is used as a domestic fuel in industries such as iron and steel, in steam engines, and to generate electricity. Electricity from coal is called thermal power. That means if we get electricity from coal is called thermal power. Students, we know the coal which we are using today was formed millions of years ago. Yes. See, coal is called buried sunshine. Why? Because it is found buried under the earth and it is an important a source of energy as sunshine. So, coal is called buried sunshine. Students, the leading coal producers of the world are China, USA, Germany, Russia, South Africa, and France. Students, can you tell why is coal called buried sunshine? Yes, coal is called buried sunshine because it is found buried under the earth. Moving on to understand petroleum. Students, what do you mean by petroleum? Yes, it is a thick black liquid. Yes. See, the word petroleum is derived from two Latin words. What are they? Yes, they are petra and oleum. Students, petra means rock, oleum means oil. So, petroleum means a rock oil. See, petroleum is found between the layers of rocks and it is drilled from oil fields located in offshore and coastal areas. Then it is sent to refineries which process the crude oil and produce a variety of products like diesel, petrol, kerosene, wax, plastics, and lubricants. Students, do you know petroleum and its derivatives are called black gold? Because petroleum and its derivatives are black in color but as valuable as gold. So we refer to it as black gold. Students, the chief petroleum producing countries are Iran, Iraq, and Saudi Arabia. The other major producers are USA, Russia, Venezuela, and Algeria. Students, can you tell why are petroleum and its derivatives called black gold? Yes, petroleum and its derivatives are black in color but as valuable as gold. So we refer to it as black gold. Moving on to understand natural gas. Students, what is natural gas? Yes, natural gas is a fossil fuel obtained with petroleum deposits in oil fields. That means natural gas is found with petroleum deposits and is released when crude oil is brought to the surface. See, it can be used as a domestic and industrial fuel. Students, the major natural gas producers are Russia, Norway, UK, and Netherlands. So, natural gas is found with petroleum deposits. Students, can you tell what is natural gas? Yes, natural gas is a fossil fuel obtained with petroleum deposits in oil fields. Moving on to understand hydel power. Students, hydel power is the energy processed by rainwater or river water stored in dams. So we know hydel power is the energy processed by river water or rainwater falling from great heights. Students, the falling water flows through pipes inside the dam over turbine blades placed at the bottom of the dam. So here we have turbine blades. See, the moving blades then turn the generator to produce electricity. So this is called hydroelectricity. Students, do you know 1/4 of the world's electricity is produced by hydel power? Students, in India, the major hydel power stations are Bagranangal, Gandhi Sagar, Nagarjuna Sagar and Damodar Valley projects. Students, Norway was the first country to develop hydroelectricity. What do you mean by hydel power? Yes, hydel power is the energy processed by rainwater or river water stored in dams. Students, name some important hydel power stations in India. Yes, Bagranangal, Gandhi Sagar, Nagarjuna Sagar and Damodar Valley projects are important hydel power stations in India. Students, which was the first country to develop hydroelectricity? Yes, Norway was the first country to develop hydroelectricity. Students, now I am going to revise important terms. At first, we have ferrous minerals. Students, what do you mean by ferrous minerals? Yes, ferrous minerals are the ones containing iron as a constituent. That means they contain iron. For example, iron ore, manganese, and chromites. Students, we know on the basis of composition, minerals are classified mainly as metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals. See, if we take metallic minerals are divided into two subgroups. What are they? Yes, they are ferrous minerals and non-ferrous minerals. See, ferrous minerals are the ones containing iron as a constituent. Simply we can say they contain iron. Moving on to understand non-ferrous minerals. Students, non-ferrous minerals are the ones that do not contain iron as a constituent. That means non-ferrous minerals do not contain iron. For example, gold, silver, copper or lead. Next, we are going to discuss about extraction. Students, what do you mean by extraction? Yes, it is the process of taking out minerals from under the earth's surface. That means extraction is the process of taking out minerals or metals from rocks near the earth's surface. Students, minerals can be extracted by mining, drilling or quarrying. So, extraction is the process of taking out minerals or metals from rocks near the earth's surface. Moving on to understand mining. Students, what do you mean by mining? Yes, mining means the process of taking out minerals from rocks buried under the earth's surface. That means it is a process of extraction or taking out minerals from rocks under the earth's surface. Next, we have fossil fuels. Students, what do you mean by fossil fuels? Yes, remains of plants and animals converted into after they remained buried under the earth for millions of years. That means fossil fuels are the converted form of remains of plants and animals which were buried under the earth for millions of years. Finally, by the heat and pressure got changed into fossil fuels. Students, fossil fuels such as coal, petroleum and natural gas are the main sources of conventional energy. Next, we are going to discuss about thermal power. Students, thermal power means the electricity obtained from coal. That means electricity from coal is called thermal power. See, coal is found abundantly near the earth's surface. Students, it is used as a domestic fuel in industries such as iron and steel, in steam engines and to generate electricity. So, electricity from coal is called thermal power. What do you mean by thermal power? Yes, the electricity obtained from coal is called thermal power. Next, we have petroleum. Students, petroleum is a thick black liquid. See, the word petroleum is derived from two Latin words. They are petra and oleum. Students, petra means yes, rock. Oleum means oil. So, petroleum means a rock oil. Students, petroleum is found between the layers of rocks and is drilled from oil fields. Students, you know petroleum and its derivatives are called black gold because they are very valuable. Students, now I am going to revise very short answer type questions. Name the leading tin producers in Asia. Yes, China, Malaysia, and Indonesia are leading tin producers in Asia. Next, question number 2. Name two minerals in whose production India contributes a significant part. Students, India has vast deposits of high-grade iron ore and it is also a leading producer of salt. Students, can you tell why are minerals considered non-renewable? Yes, minerals take thousands of years to form. The rate of formation is much smaller than rate of consumption. So, we classify them as non-renewable. Now, question number 4. Why is coal called buried sunshine? Yes, coal is called buried sunshine because it is found buried under the earth and it is an important source of energy as sunshine. Students, can you tell which was the first country to develop hydroelectricity? Yes, Norway was the first country to develop hydroelectricity. Norway was the first country to develop hydroelectricity. Students, can you tell? Name some important hydel power stations in India. Yes, Bagranangal, Gandhisagar, Nagarjuna Sagar and Damodar Valley projects are important hydel power stations in India. Students, hydel power is the energy processed by rainwater or river water stored in dams. In India, the major hydel power stations are Bagranangal, Gandhisagar, Nagarjuna Sagar and Damodar Valley projects. Students, now I am going to revise types of minerals. On the basis of composition, minerals are classified mainly as metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals. That means minerals can be classified into metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals. Students, if we take metallic minerals contain metal in raw form. Yes, they contain metal in raw form. See, metals are hard materials or substances which are good conductor of heat and electricity. For example, iron ore, bauxite, manganese. Students, metallic minerals are divided into two subgroups. What are they? Yes, they are ferrous minerals and non-ferrous minerals. See, ferrous minerals means they contain iron. Non-ferrous minerals means these minerals do not contain iron. Students, this is the difference between ferrous minerals and non-ferrous minerals. Next, I am going to revise non-metallic minerals. Students, what do you mean by non-metallic minerals? Yes, non-metallic minerals do not contain metals. See, they contain impure compounds or mineral fuels. For example, limestone, mica, gypsum, mineral fuels like coal and petroleum. So, on the basis of composition, Minerals can be classified into metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals. Metallic minerals contain metal in raw form. Non-metallic minerals do not contain metals. Thank you.